Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today guys, I'm going to show you my morning routine as a chicken farmer. I hope guys you're going to enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once I wake up in the morning, I go and check my chicken, and this is what I go and do to them. This is ready to hatch. Don't want disturbances. So after there guys, I go and check where the rest will spend the day and make sure there is clean by sweeping. After done by sweeping, I will make sure my chickens have water, drinking water, and this is where they drink water from, and I use this biosol to treat their water. So this is the spoon I use to measure amapima 1 full spoon, then add water. If you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome and thank you for joining the family. Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Once I'm done with the water, I make sure my chicken have food, and this is their plate. Layers guys, I feed layers mash, and growers I feed growers mash, and chicks I feed chicken mash. So guys, this is what I do every morning when I wake up around 9 a.m. This is my job every day. Guys, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Let us hit 1,000 subscribers. Pamoja tunaweza. Let us hit 1,000 subscribers. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let us do it. After mash guys, one thing is remaining, and this is maize mahindi. For maize guys, I just throw it everywhere, and they will come and pick one by one. So I don't know what my dog is doing. Is there helping me? So guys, the next is to go and open the cuckoos to come and eat. Aya, kujeni one by one. Good morning. Aya, tokeni sasa. Good morning. One by one. Bushukeni one by one.